like sweetest poison.
I swallowed him just like a pill.
Her wicked eyes were pure hypnosis.
With him I'd climb the highest hill.
I breathed her slow, seductive stories.
I chased his face in mirrored glass.
Love's fire swept through us like tidal waves.
I lost my breath, it moved so fast. He never got to be my first. I couldn't be his last and ever.